Welcome to Canetia, an IoT-enabled AI-based solution to assess asset integrity continuously, automatically, and accurately. There are over 600,000 bridges in the USA alone. Very many are life expired and now need replacement. The Infrastructure Investment and Jobs Act is a generational opportunity to improve our infrastructure, but this is a long process. When they are built, they will still need to be maintained, and some may be approaching midlife by the time the last ones are finally built. All of them are subject to federally mandated bi-yearly inspection. But regardless, some of these will still need to be repaired or replaced anyway. Also, there is a demographic issue with finding enough bridge inspectors with the required skills to do the work. Many are nearing retirement, and there is a risk that serious issues will be missed, so that asset owners have no reliable way of systemically assessing structural integrity risk. Existing solutions for traditional SHM are very expensive and suitable only for the largest assets, meaning the vast majority of bridge infrastructure is not monitored. There are downside risks other than collapse. The main ones include non-compliance, increased cost, reduced efficiency, and asset unavailability, which can all cause extensive economic loss and lead to liquidated damages to owners and maintainers. According to the American Association of Civil Engineers, as few as 31% of bridge defects are noted on regular inspection detail. This is because current techniques are manual, highly subjective, and can easily miss important features. Even environmental conditions can reduce this error rate further because ice and snow can obscure defects, with winter conditions responsible for a further decrease in human capability to detect problems with bridges. Canetia's solution relies on hearing a defect. Just like a flaw can be detected in a bell when it is struck, it will sound differently. A bridge will respond differently to energy input when there is a defect present. This is because structural vibrations contain information about the asset. Further, as each asset is unique, each has its own signature. Before the advent of AI, a unique asset-specific model would have been very uneconomic to produce. But with the availability of efficient algorithms and GPUs, such models can now provide very useful insight into complex structures at low cost. On-site and in-lab trials have proven the concept at LA Metro, the University of Massachusetts at Lowell, and MTS San Diego. Our system works by fixing an IoT device permanently to a structure. This device contains sensors to convert vibrational energy into a digital signal, which is then communicated to the cloud via a common communication pathway. A deep neural network is trained to identify all features in the signal. If something changes in the algorithm is able to detect it. Only statistically significant changes are detected. Random, one-off, or infrequent anomalies are ignored to significantly reduce the probability of false positives. The network also overcomes noise in the signal to improve resolution. Our first service offering will be a simple traffic light interface to reflect the probability of the need for immediate maintenance or other attention. By collecting large amounts of data from bridges, together with an understanding of the basic mechanisms of failure, we are able to accurately identify collapse of damage and assess that risk for any asset. Canetia has gained significant traction since beginning our work in 2020. Our patent has been approved in 30 countries. We were a Mass Challenge finalist in 2022. Our concept was established at the University of Massachusetts during a Phase 1 NSF award, where we secured $256,000 of funding from the federal government. We will follow up with a Phase 2 application worth up to $2 million later this year. There is a trial ongoing at LA Metro, and we were also able to complete I-Core customer validation in 2023. We were also very proud winners of the Amica Insurance Futurist Award in 2023, which searches for insurtech applications of technology. These are some of the markets we believe Canetia is able to apply its technology. Road and rail transport is our beachhead market, and which we will approach first. Insurtech is a very large market, which we will subsequently follow up with. Utility power poles and wind turbines is another area of investigation. And more generally, we'll search for safety and security applications in other industries. Our team has deep, highly relevant experience in the core markets we have identified. We also bring extensive product engineering and data science skill sets. Dr. Graham Sutherland, Chartered Engineer MBA, is Canetia's CEO and lead technology architect. Responsible for developing the technology, data science codebase, and related technical matters, he has over 20 years' experience in senior product development and innovation experience in the international transportation and energy industries. Projects included Crossrail in London, formerly the largest civil engineering project in Europe, now operating as the Elizabeth Line, and in Singapore for the Northeast Line, the world's first fully automated mass transit system. Joe Allegro, BSPE, is Canetia's Chief Civil Engineer, a seasoned professional civil engineer with over 39 years' experience. He has proven performance in senior critical leadership positions for major international infrastructure projects and for the state of Massachusetts, including Director of Construction on Boston's Big Dig, a $14 billion highway tunnel project, where he led a 600-person team directly responsible for over 140 subcontracts worth at $9 billion. Kirk Klug BS is Canetia's experienced leader of operations and business development and sales. He has a proven track record of domestic and international success, where he consistently exceeds yearly sales and profitability targets for Siemens Mobility, SNC-Lavalin, and Alstom. Kirk has had direct P&L responsibility for large capital projects and brings a strong ability to bring teams together to execute the strategic plan on time and under budget. Alan Tabella, BA MBA, is an early-stage go-to-market leader with deep experience in a variety of industry verticals, including insurance, real estate, and investments. He has led several commercialization projects for technology-driven products and has experience in customer discovery, product development, and distribution strategy. Mr. Tabella also brings extensive project management experience from his time as a management consultant. He holds a BA in economics from Boston College and an MBA from Boston University. Thank you for listening. This is Canetia Analytics. Visit our website at www.canetia.com